Most people totally misuse the phrase product of their time. Here's a fix. There's a classic trap in moral relativism debates when someone says, well, people back then didn't know any better. But there is a key idea from moral realism in philosophy. Something can be true even if most people at the time don't recognize it. Think about science. In the 1720s, plenty of people still believed or assumed that the sun thing revolved around the earth, even though Copernicus and Galileo had already proved otherwise a century earlier. Wrong ideas can stay normal for a long time. Same with ethics. Philosophers like Francis Hutchinson were making abolitionist arguments in the early 1700s. Quakers were denouncing slavery. They already had the truth that slavery was morally wrong, even if lots of people rejected or ignored it. The word racism didn't even exist yet, but the moral fact did. So when we say that someone was a product of their time, fine, sure, we all are. I wore baggy basketball shorts in high school because everybody did. So the fix is to add two key questions when you have these conversations, or think through them yourself. One, how close to the truth compared to their peers is any person from history you're evaluating? Moral philosophers call this an epistemic peer. Was a person from history ignoring arguments that were available to them? And two, for us today, do you understand that what they believed in the past was just as wrong then as it is now, even if they didn't have the language for it yet? Being a product of your time explains behavior, but it doesn't excuse it. The truth doesn't wait for us to catch up, morally or scientifically. That's the lesson.